heterogeneous mixture, the parts of a mixture that are noticeably different from one another. Viscosity, a liquid's resistance to flowing. Conductivity, a material's ability to allow heat to flow. Precipitate, any solid that forms and separates from a liquid mixture. Charles' law, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature in kelvins if the pressure of the gas is constant. The law of conservation of mass states that mass is neither created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. Synthesis reaction, a reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance. Decomposition reaction, a reaction in which a single compound breaks down to form two or more simpler substances. Velocity, the speed and direction an object is moving measured relative to a reference point. Newton's first law of inertia, the state of motion of an object does not change as long as the net force acting on the object is zero. Newton's third law, whenever one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first object. Conservation of momentum. The total linear momentum of an isolated system remains constant regardless of charges. Newton's law of universal gravitation. The force of gravity between objects is proportional to each of the masses. Centripetal force, a force that continuously changes the direction of an object to make it move in a circle. Kinetic energy, the energy an object has due to its motion. Potential energy, energy that is stored as a result of position or shape. Elastic potential energy, the potential energy of an object that is stretched or compressed. Mechanical energy, the energy associated with the motion and position of everyday objects. X, a speeding train. Thermal energy, the total potential and kinetic energy of the particles in an object. X, molten metal. Convection, the transfer of thermal energy when particles of a fluid move from one place to another. M spectrum, in order from longest wavelength to shortest and lowest frequency to highest frequency. Radio waves, microwaves, infrawaves, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-rays, gamma rays. Ohm's law, law that states the voltage in a circuit equals the product of the current and the resistance.